Hi, everybody. I'm Ayanna Besson. I am from the School of Public Health at Mount Stanton, Delta State, and I am here at ACLM 2024 in Atlanta, Florida. I have the wonderful privilege of working with the Empowerment from New York on my dissertation work, which looks at the 21 Days for Plant-Based Jumpstart program over the course of 7 years from 2021 to 2023. And it was just such a joy to see the changes that people had made based on this Jumpstart program and being involved in it. The success stories are amazing, and to see that the work that Planned Parenthood New York is doing to help against the fight of chronic disease, and not just general population, but also marginalized populations, is incredible. And so I thank Empower Metro New York. I thank all the participants who were involved in this research for your dedication, your support, for filling out my surveys. Thank you very much. And it's only onward and upward from here. The next thing is to get published. And thank you so much, everyone.